Students, in this video, we are going to discuss the analysis of 2 square factorial design. See, two treatments A and B are involved in this problem. Both A and B are in the second level. A and B are in the first level. A is in the second level and B is in the first level. And A is in the first level, B is in the second level. So, the problem is given and each treatment combination is repeated 4 times, 4 blocks are there. So to analyze this design, you should construct the null hypothesis for rows as there is no significant difference between blocks, that is rows. And for columns, there is no significant difference between treatments. Then you should bring the data into this two-way layout. That is, you should collect the values of 1 as 1, 6, 5, 3. I have collected here, right? Sorry, 3, 6, 5, 3. So you collect for each and calculate the Ri values and Cj values. The grand total is 82. Now find Ri square by 4. Do it with your calculator. So this value divided by 4 and then compute raw sum of square, that is square each value and add 3 square plus 5 square plus 6 square plus 8 square, you get 134, 119, 86, 119. Then you calculate the total for these two columns. Okay, right. Then find Cj square by 4. 17 square divided by 4 because you have 4 values here, right? 72.25, 132.25, 72.25, 156.25. So here the total is 433. Now you find the analysis starts. The grand total is 82. The CF value is G square by N. 82 square divided by 16, which is 420.25. Raw sum of square you have calculated here, which is 458. So total sum of square is raw sum of square minus correction factor, 458 minus 420.25, it is 37.75. Then you compute sum of square due to blocks, right, which is in the row, which is summation Ri square by 4 minus correction factor, which is 2.25. Then you find column sum of square, which is actually due to treatment, because in columns you have treatments, summation Cj square by 4 minus correction factor, which is 12.75. Now let us compute error sum of square, which is total sum of square minus row sum of square minus column sum of square. 37.75 minus 2.25 minus 12.75, right? Okay. So do it with your calculator. You get 22.75. Now see, with this the calculation for two-way classification is over, but we have 2 square factorial design, right? So we need the effect of individual treatment combinations, for which we go for 8th table. So in 8th table you write the treatment in the first column, then the total for each treatment, which is actually in the first table. See, for 1 it is 17, for 2 it is 23. Write the totals here. Then in the first column you combine the values in 2's. Okay, this is a 2 square factorial design, so you should construct 2 columns to compute the individual treatment totals. See, when you add these two, you get 40. When you add these two, you get 42. Then find the difference between this and this, that is 23 minus 17, 15 minus 27. Okay, then do it again for the second column with the column in the with the values in the first column. See, add these two values, add these two values, reduce this from this, reduce this from this. See, now you can compute the individual treatment sum of squares for each combination. See, this is actually the grand total, right? So when you do this, you get the correction factor, and here it is 14 square divided by y16. It is a 2 square design, and you have 4 blocks, right? So it is 16. So 14 square by 16 is 12.25. 2 square by 16 is 0.25. 2 square by 16 is 0.25. See, when you add these three values, you get 12.75, which is the actual value you got for column, that is treatment sum of square, 12.75. You should get like this. Okay, now after this, let us frame the ANOVA table. Source of variation, row, which is actually blocks, and treatments A, B and AB, error, total. Degrees of freedom, you have 4 rows, 4 minus 1 is 3. You have each treatment in 2 levels, so 2 minus 1 is 1, 1, 1. Error, you have 16 observations, 16 minus 1 is 15. Here 15 minus, see, add all these, 3, 4, 5, 6, you get 9. Sum of square, due to row is 2.25, due to A is 12.25, which is we have computed in 8's table. This is 0.25, 0.25, 22.75, 37.75. Mean sum of square is 0.75, 12.25, 0. How you do this? Divide sum of square by 3. 12.25 by 1. Here divided by 1, you get the same. This divided by 9, you get 2.53. Now calculate F value. Compare everything with the error and have the largest value in the numerator. 2.53 by 0.75. 3.37. 12.25 by 2.53. 4.84. 2.53 by 0.25, which is 1.01. 2.53 by 0.25, 1.01. Now degrees of freedom is, see here, 9. The number in the numerator 2.53. The degrees of freedom is 9. The number in the denominator 0.75. The degrees of freedom is 3. 9, 3. Here this by this. So 1, 9. Here this by this. So 9, 1, 9, 1. Now find the F table value. Right, I am taking it from the table. It is approximately 8.24. Here I have 5.12. Here it is approximately 238.90, which I am extracting from the tables. Okay. See, for the row, the calculated value is less than table value, and also for each treatments, the calculated value is less than table value. Now let us write the result. Result for row, F value is less than F table value. So you are accepting H naught. That is, the blocks are homogeneous. There is no difference between blocks. Right? There is no significant difference between blocks. And for in columns, that is for all treatments, for all treatment combinations, A, B and AB, F value is less than F table value. So you conclude that H naught C is also accepted. Here it is H naught R, right? Accepted. And the levels of the treatments individually are homogeneous, or there is no significant difference between the levels of the treatments. Okay, fine. This is the way you analyze a 2 square factorial design. Thank you.